is, how would you promote Aborlan as a tourist destination and what unique attractions would you highlight? Again, how would you promote Aborlan as a tourist destination and what unique attraction would you highlight?
Aborlan is rich for its culture, which is Tagbanwa. And we have here a festival which we celebrate every June called Rakodan. It is bring people together to meet, unite, and by this I will use social media to promote Aborlan tourists to showcase that we have so much to offer from rich cultures and beautiful places that we have here. So for example, we have a
Thank you so much. Candidate. Pwede tayo kumuha.
Miss Barangay, please.
Can we get one question?
Here is your question. How would you define true beauty and how does it differ from your physical appearance? Again, how will you define true beauty and how does it differ from your physical appearance?
True beauty comes from within. Being beautiful is not about the beauty that you have. It is also about having the confidence and bravery to show who you are by portraying yourself and establishing your identity. And for me, that is the true beauty. And it will naturally comes in your physical appearance and I think.
Alright, thank you so much.
And what does women empowerment mean to you? And how can we ensure more women have leadership roles in our society? Again, what does women empowerment mean to you? And how can we ensure more women have leadership roles in our society? Your 30 seconds starts now.
Women empowerment for me is having a courage and self-esteem. And I believe that if a woman possesses this character, she can lead and can conquer the world. Thank you.
Alright, there you go. So here's your question. What is your greatest personal achievement and how has it shaped who you are today? What is your greatest personal achievement and how has it shaped who you are today?
My greatest achievement is when I achieve all the goals that I've been dreaming of. Like I passed my LATA exam and I've been proud of helping my family with this and also join this pageant to encourage other women to empower us to uplift every woman that we are equal and to empower to the others that don't be ashamed from who you are.
Time is up. Okay.
Your question is, parang ang Indiana, no? Your question is, if you are crowned as Mundiana Aborlan 2024, how will you use your title to help your community? Again, if you are crowned as Mundiana Aborlan 2024, how will you use your title to help your community? Your 30 seconds starts now.
If I will be crowned as Mundiana Aborlan 2024, I will use this title, this platform to empower my fellow women and to promote equality between men and women in our community, the Aborlan. I would also like to help the community have a quality education, especially to the out-of-school youth, to have them a better education by
Unang barangay right after Puerto Princesa. Okay, Miss Sao. Here's your question. How do you think social media impacts self-esteem and body image? And how can it be used positively? How do you think social media impacts self-esteem and body image? And how can it be used positively? 30 seconds starts now.
social media provide us videos and image for us to
motivated for us to do the same thing. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much.
We have Ms. Jose Rizal. Can you take your question? Your question is, what is the most important lesson you have learned in life so far? And who taught you this lesson? Again, what is the most important lesson you have learned in life so far? And who taught you this lesson? Your 30 seconds starts now.
So, yung lesson po na natutunan ko is yung pagiging responsible bilang isang kabataan na natutunan ko mula sa aking mga magulang na nagagawin lahat ng tama na makakabuti sa akin para sa ikakaganda ng aking kinabukasan. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Ms. Jose.
Kasi Miss Mabini. Okay? Estudyante mo ba ito, Jo? Ah, hindi din. Okay. Your question. If you could change one law, what would it be and why? If you could change one law, what would it be and why? 30 seconds starts now.
Ito po yung policy na gusto ko pong magkaroon ng equality. Siyempre, pati na rin po yung mga men, hindi lang para sa women. And gusto kong bigyan ng equality yung both parents or yung dalawang tao na yun. Para nang sa ganun ay hindi maging unfair sa lalaki. Dahil yung mga lalaki ay minamaliit lamang. Ito lamang po at maraming salamat.
Well, I agree with that. Para pa-
Ms. Magbabadil, your question is social media bringing people together or causing separation? Why? Again, is social media bringing people together or causing separation? Why? Your 30 seconds starts now.
For me, social media brings people together because it is a medium for interconnectedness, or it connects us easily, but it can also cause a separation. Why? Because of misinformation. So for me, the key here is to use it responsibly. Think before we believe. And I think.
Last po ba? Last ba ang Barangay Plaridel? Hindi daw.
Mali po ako. Pasensya. Laban daw.
Laban na? Pwede daw.
Alright.
SK nila.
Kasi SK.
Ay, SK.
Nakakatuwa mo yung mga SK. Asan mo ba yung mga SKs natin?
SK Chairman.
SK Chairman. Alam mo, kudos to you, SK Chairman, kasi kayo yung nagpapalakas sa loob ng mga candidates na
Oo. At saka shoutout sa pogi kong pinsan na SK Chairman din. Di ba Jay Atilano? Di ba naman nandiyan siya eh.
Okay.
Di ba shoutout doon?
Sige, let's move on. Here's your question. How does happiness mean to you? And do you believe it is more important than success? How does happiness mean to you? And do you believe it is more important than success?
Happiness for me is full of acceptance of who we are and the constant determination of being a human being. That's all. Thank you.
Alright!
Very short.
Very
Fun.
Okay. Ito yung naman.
Ito yung sabi ko kanina doon dapat tayo pumunta sa
Buti na
conclusion.
lang, nagtanong ka ulit. Miss Buglasyon, please speak your card.
Ano daw?
May problema.
May galit?
Okay.
Your question is Bogdasyon. What do you think this Rakodan Festival has taught us? Again, what do you think this Rakodan Festival has taught us? Your 30 seconds starts now.
Thank you so much for the good question. This Ramadan Festival has taught us not just to commemorate the foundation of Aborlan when it was established, but also we are celebrating the diversity, acknowledging the talents and creativities, and the identity that built up the identity of Aborlanos for almost 75 years of embracing the change, for being resilient and at the same time being socially responsive society. And I thank you.
From Ramon Magsaysay. Alright, Miss Ramon Magsaysay. Ano dito tayo sa Ramon Magsaysay ngayon? Nasa po yung mga supporters natin from Ramon Magsaysay. Ayun! Nandito na pala. So moving on, here's our question. What is your greatest fear and how do you try to overcome it? What is your greatest fear and how do you try to overcome it?
So, ang greatest fear ko po is umarap sa maraming tao. But actually, last time na sumali ako sa Ramon Magsaysay, sabi ko doon na I conquered this dahil andun yung motivation and encouragement ng maraming naniniwala sa akin and I thank you.
Alright.
Miss Sagbangan.
Alright. Please speak your
Question?
Yep.
Your question is, Ms. Agbangan, how important is education in achieving your dreams? And what steps can be taken to make education accessible to everyone? Again, how important is education in achieving your dreams? And what steps can be taken to make education accessible to everyone? Your 30 seconds starts now.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Education is very important to us. Especially ito yung magbibigay sa atin na hanapin yung confidence natin and explore ang mundo at lumabas tayo sa comfort zone natin. Ito yung magbibigay sa atin ng maturity and siguro para kailangan lang natin ipakita yung dedication natin so that yung government is gumawa ng mas ma-improve nila yung educational system natin para dahil sa dedication natin. Thank you.
From Miss
San Juan.
From San Juan.
Yes.
Okay.
Kung saan ako nakatira.
Oh.
Yes.
Now here's your question, Miss San Juan. What global issue are you the most passionate about, and what actions can you take to contribute to its resolution? Again, what global issue are you most passionate about, and what actions can you take to contribute to its resolution?
Alam naman po natin sa panahon ngayon ang nag-iinit na issue patungkol sa tensyon ng China at ng Philippines. At gusto ko po itong i-address na sana kausapin ng ating Pangulo na habang maaga pa ay ayusin ang issue na ito nang walang nasasaktang tao. Dahil alam naman natin na tayo Palawenyo ang unang-unang maapektuhan ito. Maraming masisirang buhay, pamilya at mismo mga pangarap. Kaya wag sana natin ito pabayaan. Yun lamang po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss San Juan. I think everybody is really aware, especially yung mga taga-Palawan.
Yes, even this small kids normal. Pag nakabigasan ng kulog, akala nila binomba na tayo ng China.
Ano nga?
Totoo.
Okay, moving on.
Alright,
Miss.
so we have Miss Tagpalit.
Alright, please speak your question.
Your question is, if you're given a chance to talk to our President Bongbong Marcos, what would you tell him and why? Again, if you will be given a chance to talk to our President Bongbong Marcos, what would you tell him and why? Your 30 seconds starts now.
Mabibigyan ako ng pagkakataon. Ang sasabihin ko sa kanila na bigyan lang ng immediate action ang nangyayaring problema ngayon sa West Philippine Sea. Dahil tayo mga nakatira sa Palawan na unang makakaranas ng kung magkaroon na ng isang malaking laban ay tayo mga Palawenyo ang matatamaan. Ang masasabi ko lang is dapat peace ang kalabasan ng ating anak-anak pag-uusapan about sa West Philippine Sea para lahat ng tao ay walang masaktan at magdadya.
Thank you so much, Miss Tagpalit. Hi, Miss Tigman. Iba pala yung Tigman sa Plaridel. Iba po ka na?
I don't know.
Iba pala. Okay. Your question, Miss Tigman. What aspects of Aborla's culture are you most proud of, and how would you promote it to others? Again, what aspects of Aborla's culture are you most proud of, and how would you promote it to others? Your 30 seconds starts now.
Thank
thank you so much. As we all know, Aborlan is known for its rich culture, but I'm very much proud of, especially to us, Aborlanas. I've been always be proud to say that I am Aborlana because the warmth and resiliency of every Aborlan people is I have